the most terrifying planet in the solar system. This is the most terrifying planet in our solar system. 1 year on this planet equals 248 Earth years. If you stepped onto its surface, you would freeze into powder in less than half a second. This is Pluto, once considered the 9th planet of the solar system, but later reclassified and removed from the planet family. Pluto is also the coldest celestial body in the solar system, with temperatures reaching -229 degrees Celsius. Before 2015, human understanding of Pluto was limited to just a few vague words, distant and tiny. After all, Pluto is 7.3 billion kilometers away from the Sun. To put it into perspective, even light needs 5.5 hours to reach it. For a spacecraft, the journey takes more than a decade, facing potential collisions with planets and satellites along the way. However, in July 2015, NASA's New Horizons probe finally reached Pluto, getting as close as 12,500 kilometers from its surface. It captured the clearest images of Pluto in human history. One of the first discoveries was Pluto's close companion, Charon. Charon and Pluto are gravitationally locked, always facing each other, similar to how the Moon and Earth interact. Even more frightening, Pluto's surface is unimaginably cold. There is an ice field the size of northeastern China, covered with bright, reflective layers. But this isn't ordinary water ice, it's nitrogen ice. Even more amazing, scientists found an area resembling sand dunes made of ice, which is geologically young, only about 10 million years old, and still moving today. The most astonishing discovery was that Pluto not only has a thin atmosphere, 1 million times thinner than Earth's, but it may also have internal heat and underground oceans. Although Pluto's internal heat is limited, it is enough to melt ice into liquid water, hinting at the possibility of life. Pluto is no longer just the forgotten former planet we once thought it was. Its hidden stories and discoveries are far more breathtaking and romantic than we ever imagined.